Yo, what up, boss? My brakes are mashed potatoes. I'm pretty sure Jay's, something's wrong with his brakes. I'm going up to Jay's right now. We're just gonna fix this. And we're just gonna get this summer started. It's your favorite broken e-scooter on YouTube. Let's get it.
You're reading 0.
Jay's tire isn't down. Not making any sound. Test ride and see how the back brakes are. All right, so far so good. Yeah?
Just gotta get the front brake on. I pulled it and like, yeah.
It's slow. It's hot as up. Once it cools down, we'll be good.
I got that new brake bleeding pin that works quick and easy.
Perfect, man. We're just gonna fast forward to it.
This is brand new, we're not even open yet. Yeah, we got everything good. Everything we possibly need to do brakes. In reality, all I should have to do now is bleed these. And the front should be back working again. I might just have to bleed this shit. It might work.
Put the screw back on, pull the brake lever, had the bubbles come out. Now it's not all mashy potatoes, and now we're good to go. Y'all hear anything? I don't really hear anything. Ooh. Brake's not no mashed potatoes no more. It's a whole French fry, baby, crispy as.
They're moving. Mine's going in and out, in and out. I'm gonna hold that just for a second.
Whoa. I pressed them as hard as I could and I didn't like nose dip.
That's what I want.
Scooter is good to go. Y'all stay easy, y'all be easy, and peace.
Look at the giant bug you got.
Huh?
Look at this dude. Get off my scooter.
Damn.